here's a quick example. If I look at my deployment pipeline, right, and the question will pop up in terms of what tool should I use where, right? So this is not a recommendation. This is not a suggestion. This is just, you know, to give you an idea that these tools can play in these different, you know, areas of your end-to-end value stream. All right. So Srijan, the DevOps tool chain includes, right, many of these examples, right? So I will leave it eventually for your discovery to revisit. The same thing when we talked about earlier, right? There are open sources, there are closed sources, there are numerous, you know, some free, some would cost, etc. You have to decide on all of that, including, right, the discoveries associated with clouds, containers, microservices. So there are, you know, tools that are more monolithic versus tools that are, you know, around the containers and the microservices, so that we minimize, you know, the impact of the change, right? Again, these are things that you have to look at. You know, AWS is becoming very famous. Azure is the same thing. Just to mention a couple, including, you know, the data, artificial intelligence concepts, you know, data analytics, big data, the clouds, and so on and so forth. They are becoming more and more, right, dependent on the concepts associated, you know, with DevOps and Agile and the cloud and so on.